Hello.
Hello.
I
Nice to meet you.
miss you. What are you doing?
I'm driving.
You are? You singing songs?
I got my power keys.
Your power keys?
Mm-hmm.
How do
My
they?
truck.
How does it work?
I'll show you.
Okay.
Come here. Watch. Look.
Brum, brum, brum.
Watch.
Push on that.
Now you open this
Okay.
and you do it closed
Okay.
and push it on the power boost.
Okay. Power
Now-
boost.
Now you close the powers.
Okay.
Now you close the power boost.
Close the power boost.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you twist it backwards.
Okay.
And you twist it
What does this?
very fast.
What does this button do? Oh.
That's my power honk.
Power honk.
Yep.
When do you use it?
The drive.
When do you use a power honk?
Watch.
If somebody's in your way,
Yeah. Oh, honk
show me how
them.
the power honk works.
Okay, that's the power honker,
Okay.
and you honk it like this.
Whoa.
See?
Wow.
That's what
pretty
I
cool.
do.
Yeah.
See? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See
Have fun.
you too.
Where did we take Hallie today? The Missionary Training Center.
I'm taking her to the same center.
Training Center. Because she's going to be what?
Missionary.
Yes. Where's she going?
Yes, yeah.
Australia. That's kind of cool, huh? Are we going to miss her?
I'm going to the zoo
Yeah.
to see a kangaroo.
Oh. You are?
Yep. I seen there dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs?
Yep.
At a museum or the zoo?
The museum.
I didn't know there was dinosaurs in the... Oh, in museums. Yeah, not the park. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.